In the world, there are a couple of things that are absolutely unique. Every finger in the world is unique because of the fingerprint. Just like that, every single tooth and every single patient's dentition in the world is absolutely unique. So those little pearlies that you have in your mouth are unique to only one person, and that's you. We can use it to identify you. We can use it if you've died and we want to dig you up and do forensics on it. The DNA inside a tooth gets protected better than anything else, so you can burn to nothing, and there will still be a little tooth there that we can get your DNA from. So teeth are extremely important in the identification of individuals and who you are and what you look like. Patients often arrive at my office with a picture and say, I want to look like whatever celebrity, thinking that they flash that little card around and they can look like that. The reality is every single tooth is unique. Even if we copy a left and a right on a computer, they are still small little individual changes. And it's the fact that each one of them is an individual that makes our lives as dentists so fantastic. Every time I create something, I create a piece of art.
Your dentist, your choice.